Sabaha everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to unbox the first ever gradient color from OnePlus. This is the OnePlus 6T Thunder Purple. Definitely one of the better colors coming out in 2018 going into 2019 for OnePlus. If you'd like to be able to save $20 on your order of your brand new OnePlus phone, please check out that link in the description below. But let's not waste any time. Let's get to that Thunder Purple OnePlus 6T. And here we are, the brand new OnePlus 6T in Thunder Purple. Color just looks really nice. Again, gradient black from the top, purple at the bottom, and it transitions it's the center section here around the logo, so it just looks really good. And if you guys can see that right here as I'm moving it, it has that shimmer effect of the just the device itself as you're moving it, so it just transitions and looks really nice. I'll remove the sticker in the back, and then of course the one for the fingerprint sensor in the front. And the coloring is really nice. The actual volume rocker on the left side is actually colored purple. We have the SIM tray, of course, the dual SIM tray here on the left side, of course, with the ejection side all in black. On the right side, the color also does the same thing. It kind of comes up to the power button and it stops. And then after that, it gradients over here to the notification slider. Of course, that one stayed in black. On the top, no different than what we've had before. We have just one of the microphones. On the bottom, we have obviously the grills. One of them is a microphone, the other one is a speaker, and of course the USB-C for data and charging. I'm wondering actually, honestly, if the accessories will also be color-coded. There is going to be a case included in the box, and it looks like it's pretty much the same, the see-through gray color. But sadly, the accessories are not color-coded. So we still have a USB-C to 3.5mm headphone jack. And actually, I'll give you guys a link to a video that my buddy Juan did reviewing this actual dongle, showing you how the quality of the audio on this is coming up. And of course, I have a USB-C to USB-A for data connection, and of course, the dash charger. Very nice. Both actually kind of have that nice little shimmer, and you can kind of see it here coming out. It's not as prominent. But with this one, it just shimmers all around, definitely having that eye-catching look. Both have the design by OnePlus at the bottom with the logo, this one obviously in white and in black in here. And of course, the back, we still have the same 20 megapixel and 16 megapixel sensors that are powering this device on the back for great photography. As far as on the right side, as I showed you guys, pretty much look the same. On the front, we have pretty much the same display, a 6.4-inch OLED, of course 1080p panel. The only difference that you'll notice right now right out of the box is I actually have a glass protector that I've installed here, and I've done a separate video for you guys. This is the one sold by T-Mobile, and it really works, and it works really nicely. On the OnePlus 6T Thunder Purple right now, we're still using the plastic protector that is included in the box. Although I'm hearing hopefully very soon OnePlus will be releasing their own glass protector. So as soon as that's released, that's what I'll be replacing this guy with. As you guys know, I'm always a very big advocate of having glass over plastic protectors, specifically when possible. And of course, this one does not have any issues with the device. You can see right there, and I'm able to use the fingerprint sensor, and it unlocks the device. It does get a little bit faster as we do it with secondary multiple times, and of course, just works really nice. And it covers the entire display and no issues with the front-facing 16 megapixel sensor that we have there. So here we have the three colors that are currently offered. Now, this is obviously the OnePlus 6, so just keep that in mind. You have the mirror black, the midnight black, and of course now the brand new Thunder Purple. Again, very nice. All three devices will have very similar specs as far as basically RAM and storage, with the exception of, now that the OnePlus 6T is out, the 128 is the standard storage, where here we have 64 gigs. So this is a 664 gig variant. Now this is an 8 128 and 8 128, but there is a 6 128, which is also comparable to the entry-level OnePlus 6. So definitely a lot of options to be able to look into. I'm very happy with this one. Cannot wait to use it. And of course, I don't think I'm going to be putting a case on this. This is one of the very few devices I'll probably say that I want to actually hold the phone. Because even when you're holding it from the front, you could see the color difference as far as the buttons. That just makes you just gravitate to hold the phone and look at it. Definitely a very nice device. Let me know in the comments below, which one is your favorite color? Do you like the midnight black? Do you like the mirror black? Personally, I think the OnePlus 6T Thunder Purple is definitely a very unique color, a color that would probably not make you put a case on it, and that's probably what's going to happen with me. Because you not only see it on the back, but it actually permeates on the front with the fact that the buttons are actually colored. Very nice and very good, and I really love the options that we're seeing here, and can only really wait and see what OnePlus has to offer for additional colors. Obviously, now that we're in the gradient side, we're going to see some really nice, good, trippy colors. Which one do you think is the best current color of the OnePlus 6T? There'll be a link in the description below if you'd like to be able to pick up a OnePlus 6T Thunder Purple and save 20 bucks off your order. Definitely really appreciate it, as it also helps the channel. Thank you very much. But other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for the support. And then I wouldn't be surprised if one of the phones I showed you guys on the table just a second ago is going to be in a giveaway by the end of the year. Keep it here. Again, thank you very much for the support. I'll see you guys in the next video.